Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use DeepSeek on WhatsApp in 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Contacts app on your phone. From here, go to the keypad section and enter this number +34 613 333300. Once you've typed it in, you'll see a small contact icon appear at the top. Tap on it and a menu will appear. Next, choose Create New Contact. A new page will open where you can enter the contact details. In the name field, type DeepSeek and then save the contact. That's all you need to do for the contact setup. Now, close all applications and then open WhatsApp. Inside WhatsApp, go to the search bar and type DeepSeek. You'll see the contact appear. If you're connected to the internet, you can now send a message to DeepSeek. Just type your question or message and hit send. DeepSeek should reply back to you. In my case, my internet connection had some issues, so I didn't receive an answer, but under normal conditions, you'll get a reply right away. And that's it. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more helpful guides like this.